Now we are entering into a flat in Aparna Cyber Commune. This is 1725 square feet flat. It is west facing. It is in first floor. This is the bedroom, guest bedroom, and you can see the mobile wardrobe and then the attached bathroom. And this is the living room, and then it is divided by wall, so privacy wise. And this is the dining hall and the wash basin, common wash basin. This is the clubhouse, and you can see the sunlight. Here you will get sunlight, and then the play area. This is the balcony. So as I said, this is 1700 and west facing, and now we are entering into the kitchen. So spacious kitchen, and then there is a storeroom attached to this. This is the balcony, and from balcony you can see the play area again, and then the clubhouse. So there is no balcony opposite block, so privacy wise it is wonderful. And this is, we are entering into the master bedroom. You can see wall to wall and ground to roof cupboards, and then the attached bathroom. Now we will go into the children's bedroom. So this is again towards the clubhouse. So this is wall to wall and ground to roof cupboards, and this is attached bathroom. So for this flat you can reach out to Say Properties on 98483 98458 or 99661 08484. Thank you. Bye.